Hello guys, welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. And on today's episode, we'll be making this delicious turmeric rice at the comfort of our home. You don't have to always eat boring rice, so stay tuned as we make this delicious rice together with you guys. And we made it using organic ingredients. Yeah, so stay tuned as we make it. So here we have our rice and we have our organic turmeric. But if you can't find this, please use the pounded one, not the store bought. So we're going to wash this. So this is the first wash, okay? And as you can see, like this water has a lot of starch. Now let's go to the second rinse. I did the second, third, and fourth wash off camera, and as you can see, look at that. Our rice is almost perfectly clean. So let's wash this two more times, and then we'll be back. After washing your rice for countless times, our rice is clean, okay? So here we have our turmeric, and we won't be using like a big part of it, okay? This is just enough. This is just enough. So just peel this. And by the way, I really love using organic ingredients. The beauty of using, you see, if at all you don't mind, maybe if you don't have the artificial nails, I'm sure you don't have a problem using this because you know they stain the artificial nails. That is the only challenge with that. But easy peasy, our our turmeric is peeled. Now let's go and wash this. I will really advocate for this. Take a grater and grate your turmeric. Please avoid cutting your turmeric because if you cut them, you'll have some uneven chunks, which will definitely be very, very irritating for you to eat. So you see, it is easy. But then, if you don't have turmeric, you can always use carrots. As you can see, look at this. This is the staining that I was talking about. We're going to wipe this, but I'm sure that we won't clean up everything. It won't. The stain won't be over. You see, after wiping, the stain is still here. So I'm sure it's going to end over time, but not today. So we have our rice, we have that, and then we're also going to use ginger and garlic paste. Okay. Take your cooking oil. Then we're just going to add that, just a little bit of that. Then we're going to start cooking. Heat up a source of light up a source of heat. Let this oil heat up well. So we're going to place in our turmeric gratings, and then we also have our ginger and garlic cubes. I'll also be dropping a video of how I make that. Give it a good stir. Okay, it's a cube, but there's no problem. So we're going to now place in our rice. So not always eat white rice. Who said rice will be eaten when it's white? Be creative. So we're going to add in some water, and most of the time when you want to measure water to put in your rice, it's always 1:2. If it's 1 cup of rice, it will be 2 cups of water. So after doing that, you're now going to add in some salt, and then you cook it on low heat. Now going to add in some salt. And I'm not going to put much salt because remember, I've also put some bitter things, ginger, garlic. Yeah, so let's wait for this to boil. So personally, I enjoyed the turmeric rice with some stew over here, and it was a 10 out of 10.